You guys can see me, can't you? Because this is the mirror. And the green screen got revamped. Look. And we're not talking about that. We're talking about how the skate park is being revamped next update. And yes, official Lemon, if you're seeing that, you're a target. Because you know why? You stole my outfit, but you were brown instead of purple. So don't copy my outfit. And let's get right into it. The Mobots assemble is here. Leaving in 3 days. That means update in 3 days. Yippee. These poopy cosmetics. Not poopy. B stuff. Pretty cool. Tiger. Please, nobody buy this. Nobody buy this, please. I do not want to see furries running around in the lobby saying, "Arr." And they brought back this goofy badge. And wait, I'm gonna show you the goofiest fit. And yes, I have 7,000 shiny rocks because of something I bought. Don't ask me, by the way. And guys, I'm not a furry. Whatever you do, don't tell me I'm a furry, because I'm not. I think I've got it all. Look at this! Look at this! I look so goofy. I hate a ha 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 ha. Let's take all of this off. Know me, beautiful, like always. And the thing that I bought was this. Yes, I have the Mobots assemble pack. And yeah, we're going to see the skate park before the revamp, and then we're going to have some fun. My birthday is in 17 or 18 days, and if you see me in the game, I'll be wearing the party hat instead of my cosmetic, my orange beanie. And yes, I have the plunger hat and the cookie jar now. Whee! And by the way, the day is April 3rd. I'm gonna miss you, old skate park. Bro, they need to bring back the glitches. Like, that was the best part of the map. Like, Flame GT could not. He can't even play. Couldn't play when he had one hand. He couldn't go fast. And the secret tunnel is actually a square. Wait, no. Lemming, whatever you do, please bring back the glitches. Everybody loved you glitches. Come here, give me a hug. If you feel the same about the glitches, give me a hug. Come here. I'm gonna stop recording then. Blah 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 blah. Goodbye, old skate park. We're all gonna miss you. Goodbye. We're all gonna miss you, buddy. I'm gonna just cry in the corner real quick. We need old skate park. Enough sobbing for now. The code I'm in, Smokey and casual. And please, if you say, "Oh, I met you, Smokey," but why were you yellow? That's not me. That's the impersonator I made a community post about. And yes, I can upload faster because I got a new phone, and that is how. And I have to Bluetooth sync the videos. And now I can just upload them from the Quest app. And goodbye, old skate park. We all love you. We all love you, skate park. Even the old hoverboard will. Because it will match your color code now. It won't look like this. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye.